before. So hey guys, this is about as far as I've gotten. It's 6 hours in, and I still have a lot of work to do, but it's kind of freaking me out the way it's looking, because I'm not even done. You guys can see the alphabet still, that's covering that I need to do. And it just looked kind of weird. It looked like it's coming out, but I hope it come out the way I think. I just want to see her face right. But yeah, I completed a lot, and I haven't even did the toothbrush effect to shine up the diamonds, the stones, and it's already like super duper shiny, if you guys can see that. But I'll be back on here. All of this is done at the bottom. I'm just working on her face and her head. So that's what I'm working on now. And well, I guess her face is her head. But like the background and the face. But I am so tired because I've been up all night. I've been doing this for 6 hours. This is kind of time consuming, you guys. So if you do want to do it yourself, just brace yourself, because it's very time consuming, but it'll be so worth it at the end. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna order all the pictures of my family, and I'm gonna do a diamond picture wall of my family. That'll give y'all guys an idea on what all you can do with this. But I can't wait to see her face right. So this is what I got, and look how sparkly. See how sparkly it is. So yeah, I'll be back with the finished product after. Order yours today, guys.